everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry I am sick. I am just getting a cold and I am just like miserable, but I wanted to get out of the house and do some deals to show you guys. I went to Walgreens and I got not a lot of stuff, but it came to be like $150 worth of stuff. It was crazy, but I wrote down a lot more deals. You know, this is all the deals that I did, and I did every single one. I was going to do the Ollie deal, but I saw some on clearance last time I was there, but they're not on clearance anymore, so I didn't do that. But I'm here to show you guys. I got my bags all ready to go. I didn't take these any out of the bag, but the first deal I'm going to show you guys is the Bic razors. I actually got those coupons in the coupons that I ordered. I never get those coupons, so I was super excited to get these. So these are the Bic razors. I got the 2 Bic Soleils. I always search for the bonus ones. I'm always looking for bonus ones. So it looks like I got 2 different kinds. So there's that. So these were $5.99. You guys, if you spend 10, you guys get 4,000 points. So you want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would just pay $5.99 for both of these, but then you get 4,000 points, which is equivalent to $1.99 or 99 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. You can't pass up. You know, that's like a quarter a razor. So I got that deal. The next deal I got are these Lindt candies. There's a coupon for $1 off on coupons.com. Plus you guys can clip one to your thing. My digital coupon did not come off, but if you guys just use that one printable coupon, these are 2 for $2. Use that one coupon from coupons.com. You guys would get these for $1. But if you also have that digital coupon, if it comes off, you guys would get these absolutely free. So there's only 2 of them in here, but whatever, you can't go wrong with that. The Garnier Fructis, I ended up doing that deal because I love shampoo and conditioner. So let me get all this stuff out. I didn't take it all out before my video. So the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus there is a $2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I usually just have them scan the book anyways because I've been having a lot of problems with digital coupons. So if you guys do that, this ends up becoming $1 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. I always like to get styling stuff when I do the couponing, so this again was the same deal. These come out to be $1 a piece, and we got anti-humidity and the flat iron perfector, which are my favorite things right there. So sorry, my son's being a little stinker. Can you go color upstairs like you were doing, honey? Okay. The next deal I got is the Olay face wipes. Now, these were $3.59 or $5.49 at the store. It's buy one get one 50% off. There's also a digital coupon, which that one worked, on Walgreens.com for $5 off of 4. So you guys want to definitely clip that off. So buy one get one 50% off, and then use that 5 off of 4 coupon. You guys would pay $11.47 for this. It's not the greatest deal, but you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $7.47 or $1.87 a piece. Like I said, it's not the greatest deal, but if you guys really like Olay makeup removers, that's a great thing to get, especially with that coupon. Plus that goes towards beauty. I ended up getting the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, the Alive or whatever it's called. This was 4 for $8, or 2 for $8, so $4 a piece. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon, plus there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet. for $1 off of one, so it'll automatically take $2 off. So you guys would get these each, again, for $1, which is a pretty decent deal. I wanted to show you guys that deal. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling the greatest right now. Trolley gummies, $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99. I had a register reward. And then you guys would get a $1.99 register reward, making these absolutely free. I was going to do this deal a couple times, but I just wasn't having it. So there was that. Now I have a deal where I ended up getting the Arm & Hammer. Now there was a sign underneath that said buy one get one free. It was on sale for $1.99. The buy one get one free did not come off or didn't do anything, and I got two of the same ones. I'm not going to really do anything about it, but these are supposed to be buy one get one free plus $1.99, and I didn't have any coupons. I know a lot of people have Peelies, but they don't have Peelies, and I don't really take a lot of Peelies from places. So there's that. And then I got a lot of medicine. I got a lot of medicine. So I'm here to show you guys all the medicine that I got. So I ended up getting this Advil. This is regular price for $8.99. I used that $3 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's inserts. You guys would pay $5.99 for this. But then I have a deal in, I'm sorry, I'm gonna yawn. I have a deal in, Savings Star, where you get $3 off, plus there's another one where you get $1 off. So this ends up becoming just $1.99. Not the best deal, but if you guys really like it, there's over 100 pills in here for $1.99. I think that's a great deal. And then I ended up getting the I ended up getting the Advil PM. This again was $8.99. You use that $3 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $5.99 for this. But then Savings Star has a deal for $3 and a deal for $2. So this ends up becoming just 99 cents. And this one has 40 pills in it. For 99 cents is a pretty good deal. So definitely got some pain relievers. Now, I ended up getting the Well Beginnings medicine. Now, this is going to be confusing. As you guys know, I do get an employee discount, and I will write this down for you guys, but it's just very confusing with the employee discount because I have to buy more than what everybody normally buys. So, I have this all written down. So, what you guys want to do is you want to buy one infant's ibuprofen. This is $6.29. Yeah, $6.29. The infant's pain and fever is $5.99. The children's pain and fever is $6.79. And then the children's ibuprofen is $6.29. The ibuprofen is on sale for buy one get one 50% off. But you guys, with your situation, for people who don't get the discount, you guys just need to buy 4 of these. 4, okay? So you guys would buy all 4 of these. So for $6.79, $6.79, $6.29, and $5.99, it comes out to be $25.86, okay? There's a deal in Ibotta where you get $2 for each one, and each one has a limit of like 5 each or something. So you guys would get $8 back with Ibotta. That's 4 rebates with Ibotta. Plus, you guys, if you spend over $25, you guys get 5,000 points. So making the final price for this just $12.86 or $3.22 for this. So if you guys definitely want to do that deal, go for it. I just wanted to do this deal because I couldn't pass it up, and I have a lot of people asking me for like medicine stuff like this. So there's that. Now I'm going to explain it so it's easier to explain it for the employees if anybody does this deal. So with the Walgreens brand, we actually get 25% off of this stuff. So I had to figure out different prices for everything, and then I had to make sure I spent over $25. So I ended up having to get 7 items. So I got the 4 right here, and then I got 3 more right here. So that was 7 items that I got. So for this, the child's pain is, this is $5.09 with our discount. The child's ibuprofen is $5.09, and then this is buy one get one 50% off. So I had to buy 2 of these for that. The infant's pain or ibuprofen is $4.27, and it's buy one get one 50% off. So this is $4.27 and $2.36. And then with the infant's pain, this was just $4.49, and I needed to buy 2 to hit my $25 thing. So I got all 7 of these for $28.33. So I did have to spend more out of pocket, but it ends up becoming cheaper. So that was all that plus the 25%. So I ended up paying $28.33 for all 7 of those. I got $14 back with Ibotta, plus I got that 5,000 points. So that came out to be $9.33 or $1.33 a piece for all 7 of these. So I'm sorry if it's confusing. I will write both breakdowns for everybody so they can understand it a little bit easier. So that was my haul. I think that was my haul. Yeah, that was my haul. I got everything on my list, which was awesome. My total came to over $150 before I put my register rewards in and before, or my reward program thing. So over $150 it came out to be. But after coupons, it came to $43.60. Now I did pay with points, so I didn't pay everything out of pocket. I'm sorry, I'm just really tired. So, $43.60, I ended up getting $18 back with Ibotta. Did I not do that right? I did not do that right. I'm sorry, I did not do that right. No, yeah, $18 back with Ibotta. I got $14 back with all the well-beginning stuff, and then I got $4 back with the Olay. So that was $18. I got a $1.99 register reward. I ended up getting $9 back with Saving Star just from these two Advils, so that was an awesome deal, and I'll find out in the morning if I got approved. I did get approved for my Walmart one. And then I ended up getting 9,000 points. That was for the 5,000 and then the 4,000 for the razors. So if you add everything all up, it came to $5.61. I got 26 items for 22 cents a piece. So I think that's an awesome deal. Over $150 value for $5.61 I think is a awesome deal. I'm sorry I can't stop yawning. I'm just not feeling the greatest. I'm just going to rest for the rest of the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your favorite deal is, and if you guys do this deal, you know, I didn't want to be confusing. I wanted to be as clear as can be. That's why I write down the deals for you. But I will see you guys all another time for another Walgreens haul. I don't know if I'm going to do another one this week, but we'll see. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.